We've got two fundamental knee alignments: knee over the foot, kneecap aligned with toes. That's going to position your knee so that you can then refine that to be on the sweet spot. Another technical detail is maintaining that when you start turning your hips. One technique involving the 𝗶𝗏 that helps you maintain your knee alignments while turning the hips is called the 𝗶𝗏𝗍fold. And this is what you do. You fold into the 𝗶𝗏 when you turn your hips into a weighted leg. So here's my 𝗶𝗏. And now watch, I'm going to turn my hips into my weighted leg, and I'm folding in this area. I'm unfolding, folding in this area, unfolding, folding. If we get a room of 100 beginning Tai Chi students and we do that exercise, and this is what at least you'll see with 90 of them. Now watch my knee. Turn your hips into your weighted leg. My knee is not over my foot, but that's what you'll see. Turn your hips away from your weighted leg. My knee is not over their foot, but that's what you'll see. Unstable knees. That could aggravate an existing condition or even cause some kind of injury. So my knee is more or less over my foot. My kneecap right here is more or less aligned with my toes. Now watch. I'm rotating my hips. And that's a fair amount of hip rotation. And my knee's not moving much. The knee's staying over the foot, the kneecap staying aligned with the toes. And I'm getting a fair amount of rotation here. And that knee is not moving. And that becomes a point of emphasis at the early part of teaching any kind of rotating movements. Maintain the knee over the foot, kneecap aligned with toes, and that 𝗶𝗏 fold technique will help you do that.